Hey guys, Nick here. Today we're going to walk through the first part of a 3-part mini-series on working with RowIDs. In this video, we're going to go through how to reset RowIDs. The data we're going to be working with is this randomly generated data. And what we're going to do is we want to reset these RowIDs almost to get rid of the cluster and just have it say row 0, row 1, etc. So to get started, we're going to go into the node repository, and like I did over here, you're going to search for RowID. Once you see this RowID node, drag and drop it onto your workflow, connect it to the data, and then we're just going to add an annotation to the node, and then we can double click into the node to configure it. So what we're going to do is we're going to run with this replace RowID with selected column values or create a new one. So leave that checked in, and then what we're going to say is the new RowID column, as long as it's set to none, will be good. All we have to do is hit apply, hit OK, and then we can right click and execute. And now if we look at our data, you can see that now our RowIDs are no longer cluster 1, cluster 0, 1, 2, 3. We're actually back to the default scheme of row 0, row 1, row 2, row 3, so on and so forth. And then just to show you the previous data for comparison. Oh, wrong one, wrong port. Oh, so there it is. So now you can compare. You can see we've got cluster 0 is now row 0, cluster 1, row 1, so on and so forth. So that's how you reset the RowIDs in Knime. Watch the next video, and we're going to go through how you can extract the RowIDs into a new column. Alright, I'll catch you guys on that video.